Welcome back to another YouTube video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tass, and if you're an oldie, you already know me. Welcome back. Title already shows what this video is. Hello again, guys. Camera battery died and I went outside to take some pictures, but for the love of God, no, it's not happening. It's not happening because I'm in my all white with the little, and then outside is like pure white, like cocaine white. But anyways, as I was saying, welcome. As you can see from the title, this vlog is just my first Christmas as Mrs. G. And my husband and I drove from New Jersey, to Ohio, and I've recorded all of that for you guys. So please enjoy these clips that I've put together showcasing my first Christmas with my husband, officially as Mr. and Mrs. G. If you know, you know. And the road trip, so many accidents happened on the road. We drove in a blizzard, a snowstorm. Warnings keep coming up on our GPS and the radio and the news, and it was just so chaotic, but we got here safely by the grace of God, and by the time you guys see this vlog, we'll be back home in New Jersey safely. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, which is most important because I'm trying to get to 1K subscribers before the end of the year. If it happens, it happens. I know God has big plans for myself and this channel, so enjoy. Guys, as you can see, it is pitch black. I'm gonna show you outside. It's a dedication for me. I told you we're leaving out at 5. What time is it? It's 5. We pulled out of the driveway at 5:01. It's a dedication for me. Armani, Samira, Baby Henry, Auntie's coming. Auntie and Ulrich. Look outside. And I know outside cold. Look outside. Look outside. And I know outside cold. I just know it. I don't feel it because as we get up out of bed, we head into the car and we have indoor garage, but I just know it cold. And babe already checked the weather for Ohio and it's snowing, so you guys will get to see a little bit of that because it will start snowing in New Jersey as yet. I mean eventually, but Ohio ever snow. Ohio snow 9 months out of the year. But yeah, we're coming. Anyways, I'll keep you guys posted. Road trip, bye. This is our first road trip. Yep. Armani's gonna be so happy to see you. He's gonna be bouncing off the walls. Bouncing. Look at my skin at 5 a.m. Dude. I'm trying to tint my brows for the 8-hour drive or the 7-hour drive a little. Just a little. Look at my skin. It's the skin for me. It's the skin at 5 a.m. I put on my vitamin C, no, my moisturizer, vitamin C, vitamin E oil, sunblock. I put on sunblock already. I said, I don't put it on yet, but we don't like, we don't miss 100% sleep. Anyways, we're gonna be playing the radio and yeah, keep baby awake because I'm gonna sleep. I even bought my favorite little pillow, yellow, because I'm gonna be knocked out. But not even what you see. When I'm up in something, I'm drinking tea, my big red cup. I don't have any thermos. And the little cup, nobody will cut it and hold in the cup holder, but I don't think they're The originals, the OGs, no. I can't go anywhere without tea. I can't do nothing. But I'm so happy we're on time, though, I'm not gonna lie. Got up from like 4:20. And we literally go in her car at 5 o'clock and pull out the driveway. Pull out the garage. We're gonna get to our Red Bull, say. Let's take this off. Oh no, not feeling a little. Oh, and we bring out some tangerine, mandarin, whatever you call it, to catch up with stomach. Because as my eyes open, I'm hungry. As my eye open, my mouth open, I'm hungry. You know, some people can't eat until like a certain time. No, girl, my stomach open 24/7. We wake up out of my sleep and be like, I'm hungry. Look after something to eat and come back and sleep. That's why I'm always having heartburns, bruv. I haven't had any in a while, but damn, these people are ready for work. Dedication. Maybe I get up ready for work and I look out here active. I'm not showing any people them. Wow. Do not miss these days. What's my done? Oh, babe, just use the card. Got an alert. I got an alert. Who be using my card? Who stole my card? No one? Me? Who using my money? Who using my money? If you did not make this transaction, call 1877. Anyways, guys. You bought two? Did you get a straw for me? Are they both yours? Oh. It doesn't matter. I actually don't want any Red Bull, yeah? Really? I'd like to go to sleep.
It smells pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah.
I've never tasted it.
Yeah.
Have you guys ever tasted this one? It's green butter. It's called dragon fruit. Oh,
really good.
That's fancy, yeah? That's an exotic fruit, you know. A car crept up behind us. Okay. Toodaloo. Choppy and thing. It makes sense because it's a road trip here, so I won't be vlogging for the 8 hours we are on the road, or the 7 hours and something. I'll definitely be ending the vlog, starting, ending, starting, checking in, checking out. Makes sense, right? So that's how the content is gonna be. You know that little wiggle? Oh yeah, I need my coat. Go in, babe, I'm coming. You know that little wiggle you do when your when you want pee-pee, I need to come down. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And then the rain has started. Yo, the news says the weather is gonna be like in the single digits. Oh, the killer. Around dinner time, the wind and everything is just gonna be so crazy. It's like it's gonna be the craziest weather since what, 1950? I think I was saying it on my vlog on yesterday's video. It's like gonna be like the North Pole type of weather. Okay, let's go. Bye. Let's play I Spy. I spy with my little eyes something white. What's the answer? Snow? Is that the answer, people? Is it the snow? Correct. Your turn. Your turn. You don't know how to play? You don't know how to play?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty.
Spy something.
You spell something with a P? Babe, it can't be something we're going past, you know, because, oh my God, with a P? Why you keep looking to your left? Something with a P. Something with a P. Something with a P. Pennsylvania. The state. We're in the hole. Something with a P. That's I don't like this. I want a color. I never give you a letter. I gave you a color.
I spy what I saw.
You spy something with a babe. Did we pass it already?
It's on the road.
It's on the road now.
I'm seeing them all.
Oh, it's no parking signs. Is it that?
Yeah.
Oh, I got it! Oh my God, I had no idea. More snow? No parking. I spy something. There's nothing out here to see. So what we spied? We spied nature. I spy.
Just take your
Babe, it's windy. It is windy, right? So no more I spy? No. Okay, guys. I don't have anyone to play I spy with. There's nothing to spy. Just snow and hill and factory and road and tree. Toodaloo.
And this Christmas will be. And this Christmas. Babe, I'm gonna sing one part, you sing the next. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me.
Never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're...
I'm so scared to go outside, but let's go. It's snowing. It's crazy. Ooh. You close the car? Ooh. You close the car?
Yeah. That was cool.
Okay. Yeah. Another quick stop. I'm at Starbucks, thinking of getting the cheese Danish. Here's babe. It's 9:35. I have on my seatbelt. So yeah, let's see. I'm not sure how long this vlog going to be, so I might split it into, you're good. Might split it into 2 vlogs.
Why is everybody getting wiped? When does she wipe?
I might split it into 2 vlogs, you know, to cover the whole Christmas weekend. We'll see what else gets done because certain sections of Ohio, Virginia, etc., and Pennsylvania are under snowstorm watch. It just came on the radio, you know, babe. They were listing the areas in Ohio, but I didn't hear Columbus or Westerville, so I didn't panic. And then Mrs. Now don't call me already if she wake up. But yeah, we're back on the road because this vlog is mostly gonna be on the road, and then you're gonna have clips of actual Christmas Day dinner, family stuff. But I might do 2 vlogs. Ooh, look at it.
Filled it up.
It full up. All right, we're not stop again. I'm not if I drink no more no Red Bull or no nothing because no more people stop till we reach. We still have 3 hours and 40 minutes. You see, push it back. We now better reach 12:31 or 12:35. We reach 1:16. Yeah. And then the gas it takes so long. And oh, this lady did a pump. Let me tell you, the lady did a pump, you know. And she was over the other gas tank. And then we were in this line. There's several lines, yeah. And so babe stop blow. So because the woman in front of we like did it for a good minute, like probably 15 minutes or not so much, 10
5 minutes.
Baby, it was not 5 minutes. Or because me cola annoyed with you, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So when he started blowing, me say when my blow woman from a rush her, she full up her car, plus her car look like it did give problem. She have to run go in and she have to go into some other stuff, and then the lady behind her car, our door is stuck with the ice, so she's like she can't open the door and she have to throw things pan if you get off the ice. A mess. So anyways, the other lady in the line now, she a pump. And I think I did smell it a bit, you know. And then now, so babe, up in the window, I picked up because when I look me, I say, and I woman in front of me, my blow fi hurry up. And the one beside her. And when me look up, the whole of the gas up on the ground. Shut the car full and I run over. I'm like, this shit causes blow, like a surplus blow up. So me freak up. Me see car beside me who are wait to get the pump, like how we are wait. Start reverse. That's what I'm saying. Doesn't take click and stop.
But babe,
even if she pay more money, it need to click and stop. Me not understand.
But I don't understand.
Unless me wrong, but me
unless she
no pump.
Unless she put more than what it's supposed to take.
But you know what? Even if you click and stop, maybe by her squeezing it, it thing there. Yeah, because when you go to the gas station, right? Well, back home for sure. Because up here you have to pump.
It's gonna cut off.
Up here you have to pump your own gas. Not in New Jersey though, but Jamaicans never. We don't do that. But you know, no. When you go to the gas station, right? And you say, like you say, $40, and then put in the 40, and then put it in and go serve somebody else, right? The pump attendants, they ask if you want to top up, so it click, you know. Sometimes it click at the 40. No lie, it top up still. Yes, sometimes when it click, you can still squeeze it, and it push it over the lick. I don't know, does it? Once it click, I remember how gas go. When you go up on the car, so for Ricardo. No, you're giving me anxiety. Like, me can't see I drive up under the van. Anyways, guys, bye. Next time we check in, we must reach. Can be done with it now. This guy's so nice, me not lie. And I pass a cute little boy. What's up, shorty?
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. Gonna sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. You know, me never know what Bacardi did say. Party in the club, party in the club, party in the heat, party in the hood. Oh, it's getting hot in here. Buck up. It's getting hot in here. Buck up. You don't need to turn your head. You don't need to. No, I look on the road. Okay, van here, I give me anxiety. It's getting hot in here. So hot. Babe, everybody knows this song. I again. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's getting hot in here. Bomba naman. Blita.
Guess where we are? Yes, you guessed it. Still in the car.
No, I don't take sh. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't.
After 9 hours later, we are arriving. Yo, the snow on the road. I'm gonna put on my sneakers because I'm gonna get out of here and I need to pee. The snow on the road, Jesus, it make the car vibrate. It gave me anxiety. It's giving me anxiety. Let me show you now. The glass is a mess. Oh, you can't see it outside. That's outside, guys. White. Like, I didn't do anything to the camera, no editing. That's it. That's it. That's all. That's all. That's it. White. That's how we were driving and seeing. And every time we spray water or the windscreen wiper on the windscreen washer, it freezes. But Armani and Samira, I love you guys, but Auntie ain't doing this again. And baby Henry, not driving. Yo, I want to pee so bad. I want to pee so badly. Right here. You hear that?
Yeah, because of all the snow.
That's all snow. That's all snow. It's all white. I am seeing white. I am seeing white, oh. I'm seeing white. That is all I am seeing. Yo, I want people to tell me careful put on my sneakers.
2,000 years later.
Guys, let's go to get Armani's reaction. For sure. Blood cleaners! Hallelujah! Yes, Jaja. No, Papa. No. Which one? Shit. Look at it. This is the driveway. Oh. Land. Why didn't lock you out? What you know? Hello! Oh, I miss you so much! Oh my God! hope you enjoyed those clips, and I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays in general, and see you in 2023. Bye. Bye, Samira.